Hello, creative minds! Welcome to our new series, Paper Plate Animal Adventures and Recycled Art Fun. In this exciting journey, we'll dive into the world of imagination, alternating between crafting vibrant paper plate animals and creating art from recycled materials. It's all about learning, having fun, and embracing our love for all things crafty. So are you ready to unleash your inner artist and transform everyday items into extraordinary masterpieces? Today we'll embark on a thrilling journey to the African savannah, where we'll create our very own paper plate lion. Before we start our adventure, make sure you have all the necessary tools at hand. Our crafting journey today requires a humble paper plate, some vibrant construction paper, markers to breathe life into our creation, and trusty glue to hold it all together. These simple items will soon transform into a magnificent roaring lion. So check your craft boxes, make sure you have everything, and let's prepare to unleash our creativity. Great! Now that we have our materials ready, we can start crafting our lion. Get ready to bring your paper plate lion to life. First, let's lay out our paper plate. This will serve as the face of our lion. Now grab your yellow construction paper and cut out a large circle. This will be the lion's mane. Glue it around the edge of your paper plate. Remember to be careful with the glue. We don't want any sticky fingers. Next, let's add some character to our lion's face. Cut out 2 circles from the white construction paper for the eyes. Add a smaller black circle in each for the pupils. Now isn't that starting to look like a friendly lion? Don't forget the nose and mouth. Cut a small triangle from the black construction paper for the nose and draw a line downward for the mouth. Add a couple of curved lines at the end for a smile. We want our lion to be a happy one, don't we? Now comes the fun part, the whiskers. Cut out 6 thin strips from the black construction paper. Glue 3 on each side of the mouth. Be sure to be careful with the glue here. We don't want our lion to end up with a glue beard. We're almost there. Hang in there with me. It's time to give our lion some ears. Cut out 2 large ovals from the yellow construction paper and 2 smaller ones from the pink construction paper. Glue the pink ones onto the yellow ones and attach them to the top of that plate. And finally, let's not forget the lion's trademark, its mane. Draw zigzag lines around the yellow circle we glued earlier. Use your brown marker for this. The more lines, the bushier the mane. And there you have it, your very own paper plate lion. Isn't he just roaring with pride? While our lions dry, how about we learn some fun facts about these majestic creatures? Lions, known as the kings of the jungle, are the most social of all big cats. They live together in groups known as prides. A pride can have up to 30 lions, consisting of males, females, and their cubs. Unlike other cats, lions are excellent swimmers and are not afraid of water. Another remarkable feature of a lion is its roar. It's so loud and deep it can be heard from as far as 5 miles away. Imagine that. Also, did you know a lion's eyesight is 5 times better than a human's? That's why they are such skilled hunters, especially at night. And speaking of hunting, it's usually the lionesses in the pride who do most of the hunting while the males protect their territory. Aren't lions fascinating? Now you can share these cool facts with your friends and family. Wow, wasn't that fun? You've just made your very own paper plate lion. Now that you've unleashed your inner artist, why not share your masterpiece? Show it off to your friends, your family, or even the whole wide world. If you're feeling a bit tech savvy, you can snap a picture and share it on social media. Don't forget to use the hashtag #PaperPlateAnimalAdventures so we can all marvel at your creativity. And remember, our adventure doesn't stop here. There are still plenty of paper plate animals waiting to be brought to life by your crafty hands. Next time, we'll dive into the world of recycled art and see what treasures we can create from items we usually throw away. So make sure you tune in for our next episode. Until our next crafty adventure, keep creating, keep learning, and most importantly, keep having fun. Bye for now.